bago pa nagkaroon ng mga issue, yung result na lang po yun, dito po yung nagmula sa puso po ng tao. So maraming hindi po kapaunawan because not really the truth, because we cannot do nothing against the truth. That is the issue of the heart. So before anything else, we need to settle our heart na tama sa Panginoon. That's why sabi ng Panginoon, sabi ng Bible, we need to set our affection on things above and not on things on the earth. Why? Kasi pag sinet natin yung affection natin dito sa mundo, maraming mga discouragement, maraming mga discomfort, distresses na naranasan ng tao. But still, sabi ng ano, we need to set our heart doon sa langit, kung saan hindi yung Panginoon natin. So, pwede na po kayong maupo. And first of all, Brother Ali, to teach us yung taong bigaw my vision for the preparation for the dito nila Brother Jay sa parang natin. So, let's continue to pray for them. So, pray hard. Because we are in the reality that meron pong principalities and powers. That's why we need to pray hard. For we are not wrestling against flesh and blood. Alam po natin may mga dumarating, but that is principalities that is working. But the good thing is God is real.
Amen.
And He is working also in our life.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, open learning now to page 17 November.